This ultra-low-mile GT500KR, mixing a supercharged V8 and 6 forward gears with an SVT-tuned suspension, is a perfect example of why the Shelby and Ford partnership is a match made in heaven. Want some cool and exclusive muscle that's poised to gain value? This impressive showroom-fresh coupe is exactly what you've been waiting for. Complementing glossy Ford black 2-stage with monochromatic Shelby stripes, the spotless Mustang has spent the majority of its life parked in dry storage. And thanks to a noted aversion to water and heat, the car maintains factory-fresh aesthetics that would be right at home in a dealer's showroom. Because the GT500KR package carried a hefty premium, Dearborn designers focused on creating a modern icon that looks tailored and substantial in comparison to lesser competitors. Inside, Shelby-branded seats, which feature standard power adjustment for the car's driver, ride opposite a monochromatic leather-wrapped steering wheel that's adorned with convenient thumb buttons. The dash is a familiar Mustang layout, which frames a small Shelby plaque and satin-trimmed gauges, and an optional Shaker 1000 stereo fronts a Ford Racing short-throw shifter. Take a look under this KR's carbon fiber hood and you'll find a supercharged mod motor that was heavily influenced by Ford's first GT supercar. Behind the smooth engine, a slick-shifting Tremec 6-speed spins power to an 8.8-inch limited-slip axle that's fitted with 373 gears. Even without its natural exclusivity, this hot coupe would satisfy virtually any performance enthusiast. With plenty of power and nearly universal appeal, it's hard to think of a more desirable modern pony car. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.